1995 में इंटरनेट अनाउंस हुआ इंडिया में और 1996 में शुरुआत हुई इंडिया मार्ट की। जब देश में सिर्फ 1500 से 2000 इंटरनेट यूज़र्स थे, तब इंडिया मार्ट ने एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देखी और उसे बना दिया इंडिया का पहला B2B डिजिटल बिजनेस इंडिया मार्ट। एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जो उस टाइम पे स्मॉल बिजनेसेस को कनेक्ट कर रहा था, जब लोग इंटरनेट को सिर्फ एक लग्जरी समझते थे। आज इंडिया मार्ट के पास है 8 मिलियन प्लस सप्लायर्स, 211 मिलियन प्लस बायर्स और 6000 प्लस एम्प्लॉयज़। और सवाल दिमाग में यही आता है कि कैसे ये प्लेटफॉर्म .com, रिसेशन, 9/11, कोविड जैसे स्टॉर्म्स को पार करके IPO तक सक्सेसफुली पहुंच गया। हाउ डिड योर जर्नी इन इंडिया मार्ट स्टार्ट?
Started with a complete commitment and mission.
You keep meeting startups and you have seen the way they have evolved.
The current times are the best times for startup.
घर में मतलब कैसा रहता है?
To be honest, first few years were very, very difficult.
बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस आपके रहे होंगे, कभी फेलियर भी फेस करा होगा, कभी रिजेक्शंस भी।
Think through the problem. Don't lose your head. Communicate, over communicate during those difficult times. Keep your people together who are going to work with you on that problem. मिलेंगे तो कुछ solution निकाल लेंगे।
हम लोग आजकल मेंटल हेल्थ की बहुत बात करते हैं।
अपने अराउंड डाइग्रेशंस क्रिएट कर लेते हैं जिससे रात को नींद नहीं आती, फिर वो रात को ऐप डाउनलोड करते हैं जिससे कि नींद आए। You getting my point?
Do you love to travel?
I travel a lot.
क्या चेंजेस ऐसा हो जिसमें और ज़्यादा बच्चों को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले?
We need to really change the curriculum.
Any future plans that you have in mind?
I'm looking at multiple options where I would like to give back to community, to society.
आज मेरे साथ इस पॉडकास्ट में मौजूद है इस डिजिटल रिवॉल्यूशन के कमांडर मिस्टर दिनेश गुलाटी, who is the COO of India Mart. Welcome Dinesh ji, it's really great to have you here. I was so excited to visit India Mart office. First of all, it's so beautiful. मज़ा आ गया। पहले तो मुझे premises देके एंट्री की नोएडा में और इतना अच्छा व्यू, और मुझे लगा शूट तो वही यहीं पे करना चाहिए। एंड दिनेश जी को मैंने बोला सर प्लीज़ अपना रूम हमें दे दीजिए। सो दिनेश जी, हाउ डिड योर जर्नी इन इंडिया मार्ट स्टार्ट? इससे पहले क्या था और हाउ डिड यू कम टू दिस ह्यूज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन?
Thank you so much, Kapila, for this opportunity today. And अच्छा लगा कि आप इस ऑफिस में आए और आपको ऑफिस अच्छा लगा। And
आपका रूम हमने ले लिया बस।
नहीं, that's okay. I think that's मेरे अलावा किसी और के भी ये रूम काम आए तो अच्छा। So मेरा जर्नी एक्चुअली आई एम अ केमिकल इंजीनियर और एक एन FMS MBA, बट मैंने केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग करी नहीं है कभी। सो इमीडिएटली आफ्टर माय MBA आई गॉट इनटू सेल्स, मार्केटिंग, ऑपरेशंस, बिजनेस. But I consider myself a telecom man because I spent close to 11 years in telecom. Okay. So when telecom was in a nascent phase, so that's where I joined telecom, branch, and I worked in telecom industry for 11 years.
Okay.
So and I started with the small operations, launched network in Maharashtra, in entire Western India for Maharashtra, Bombay, Gujarat. And then scaled up those telecom businesses to multi-billion dollars with the brands like Bharti, Airtel, and then Reliance Communication. So that was my initial journey. And as they say, destiny takes you, to destinations which you may not have planned. तो एक हमारा एल्युमनाई मीट हुआ दिल्ली में, तो उस एल्युमनाई मीट में मैं और दिनेश मिले। दिनेश अग्रवाल,
हम लोग क्लैरिफाई कर ले, दिनेश अग्रवाल एंड ही इज द CEO।
तब तक दिनेश अग्रवाल ने इंडिया मार्ट 100 करोड़ का बिजनेस कर लिया था। दिस वाज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 2011।
ओके।
तो हम लोग रात को बैठे हुए थे एंड देन चिट चैटिंग, जैसे बड़े दिनों बाद मिले थे, तो and I was complimenting him that you have created such a large business, क्योंकि 2011 में स्टार्टअप करना 100 करोड़ का बिजनेस बनाना was really a huge achievement for anybody.
Right.
So and he was complimenting me कि तुम्हारी जर्नी तो यार you have worked with the who's who of India, and then you've created multi-billion-dollar telecom operations, and I have been following you. तो करते करते and then he said कि we have raised money, and then we are going through slightly difficult phase during 2011, and that's where I think that discussion concluded. उसके बाद हम लोग का alumni meet खत्म हुआ, हम वापस आ गए, and after few days Dinesh called and he wanted to do a reference check on one of my ex-colleagues
Okay.
from who had worked with me. Dinesh was looking for somebody who could join him in one of the key positions. And जैसे जैसे बात में दिनेश ने बोला let's meet up, तो हम लोग मिले, and then that's where he said now business has become really big and I need somebody who can come and join and shoulder the responsibility to scale up India Mart to next levels.
Right.
And I need somebody who has exposure to multiple processes, multiple brands, and then who can help me. And so that was suddenly kind of, I had never thought about that. Okay, but and that's where I think you need to give it to founders. They have that vision that where you
Absolutely.
don't think. तो उसके बाद हम लोग की 3-4 मीटिंग हुई, एंड देन आई डिड माय होमवर्क इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, एंड one thing was very clear, that internet industry was the future, and I was very much keen to join internet. And as I mentioned, my all career moves in the past have also been right in time. So I was one of the early ones who had joined telecom.
Right.
Leaving FMCG to join telecom, nobody would have thought in year 2000. But I did that, and so similarly, I realized that internet is the way to go, and this was a good opportunity. Now, whether India Mart at that point in time was right opportunity or no, we discussed, and how do we go about that, and I think rest all is history, and we decided within 6 months I joined, and started with a complete commitment and mission that this was a good problem to solve. And more than a business case, I would say, solving a problem for small businesses. जो छोटा business है उसके लिए बहुत कम लोग इतना कमिट करते हैं कि उनकी प्रॉब्लम को लोग सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करें. एंड दैट्स वेयर आई थिंक आई सॉ दिनेश टॉकिंग टू मी एंड शेयरिंग हिज विजन के क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. सो इमीडिएटली इट क्लिक्ड मी एज वेल दैट वी हैड अ गुड प्रॉब्लम टू सॉल्व, and more than business, first it was a good problem to solve for the economy and for the country, because India has such a large micro, small, medium businesses, and from there the journey started, and then together we started building, and from there we never looked back. So that's how India Mart happened. So though it was never a planned move, but it happened as a kind of coincidence, and then I think since then we've been building step by step various initiatives, and today here we are, the largest marketplace for B2B, and very profitable.
So India Mart went through quite a lot of recessions, and then 9/11 happened, COVID happened. It had seen .com crash also.
Yeah.
And then it successfully went up to IPO.
Sure.
So how has been what's your take in that, and what has been your takeaway?
See, fortunately, in every challenge, we have been able to see opportunity, and I think दोनों का ही कुछ plus in my case in particular, I strongly believe that the moment you are going through a difficult scenario, you need to change the approach,
Right.
and sooner you negotiate that change or difficult situation and change your approach, faster you will be able to overcome that challenge. And then whether it was .com, whether it was, we have seen multiple scenarios. So GST happened, demonetization happened. So demonetization में suddenly the worst impacted business was छोटा वाला business,
Right.
क्योंकि इंडिया में सारा business cash पे चलता है.
Absolutely.
So there were people who were saying कि यार अब businesses like IndiaMart will go through a difficult time. We did go through a difficult time, but we immediately changed our approach. We I think our approach was how do we create this difficult situation into an opportunity, and we realized with GST and demonetization, most of the businesses will try to now join the formal business
Yes.
process, and they will become part of mainstream business. So that's where we thought this was the best time to go online for businesses. If we can just reach out to more and more businesses, improve our reach, and then improve our engagement with those chota business, faster we'll be able to get them aligned to come on IndiaMart platform, and that's where we were able to do that. Second thing, during that difficult period, what we did was, how could we control our expenses?
Right.
Right. So the one part that Kapila, I am really proud of, that whether it was demonetization, whether it was GST or COVID, हमने आज तक we never asked even a single person to leave,
Oh,
because
amazing.
those difficult times you need to carry your people along, right? And then with that clear objective in mind, that we try to make sure कि हम लोग जहाँ जहाँ नॉन एसेंशियल एक्सपेंसेस थे, हाउ कुड वी कट डाउन ऑन दोज एक्सपेंसेस एंड मेक आवर बिजनेस more frugal, more efficient, and we huddled together. I still remember when demonetization happened, we were standing on a table in a middle of our floor, and we had all employees huddled together, and we were trying to communicate in clearest terms that for next 6 months it is going to be difficult time for all of us, but we'll face it together, and these are few changes that we will work on. So as they say, during difficult times it is better to over communicate. तो हम लोग बराबर से कम्युनिकेट करते थे अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को, अभी किस फेज़ में है, क्या चीज़ें ठीक हो रही हैं, क्या चीज़ें और ठीक करने के लिए हैं. Similarly, during COVID times, I still remember on 20th March 2020, so it was announced that everything will move to work from home. And between IndiaMart and our partners' employees, we had close to around 10,000 employees working from almost 100 offices all over the country. And one fine day, we had to move to work from home. Either we shut down business, or we look at a very different process. And ours is an online platform. We have so many businesses who are hooked to us. We could not afford surely to shut down business. So I still remember Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days, our entire technology team worked to create system, processes, where we could make sure that we give access to our employees to work from home. We created online secure systems. People from Monday started logging in online, and all of them were working from home. And within next week or two, we were back on track, and then the business was running as usual. So, and during the same phase, we also tried to create newer opportunities for businesses, because वो business जो market में थे, उनका business भी impact हो गया, market बंद हो गया. So how could we help those businesses? So people who were in apparel business, we tried to help them कि वो अपने mask बनाने शुरू कर दें. And how could we help them to get that mask online, because उस time demand थी mask की, body covers की, oxygen concentrators की. So we guided those businesses and got them online, and all those people who were dealing in chemicals, how could we help them to make sanitizers, various medicines that were required. So in fact, for those few months, our entire team was working to enrich those categories which was the need of the hour for the nation. And that's where I think we committed ourselves, and we helped not only the businesses, but we also help the community by offering those products and services online, which could help to overcome very difficult situations that as a nation we were, facing. So what I'm trying to say that you have to change your approach, and in every challenge you will be able to create an opportunity, and that's what we have always been able to do. Having said that, I would give full credit to the wonderful team we have had always. I think we are blessed to have wonderful people around us. And for them, India Mart is not an organization but a family. And then whenever we have felt the need for them to come together, work for a common cause, for a common objective, I have yet to come across anybody making a face. Rather, in fact, I have seen very, very over-enthused set of people who are there to shoulder any responsibility that is there in front of us to take to solve the problem, to go through difficult scenarios and create an opportunity for all of us.
Right, great. So startups now have seen, like in 2025 especially, the way they were struggling earlier. If I talk about, like, 1990s, a lot of opportunities are there and they have evolved over a
Yeah,
period of time.
yeah.
So you keep meeting startups and you have seen the way they have evolved. Please give some opinion on that also.
I think I would say the current times are the best times for startup. We have seen
Right.
very difficult times also. I think 10-12 साल पहले the ecosystem was just not there for startup. I still remember uh, uh, getting into a startup, people would think 10 times, and both personally and professionally. And as I said, ecosystem was not there, funding was not there, technology was not there, and there were not many success stories,
Yeah.
for startups. So people would have a lot of, reservation. Families would not encourage their, kids to go for a startup.
Right.
But thanks to, I would say, mobile. So we've seen the internet first to mobile first. Now I would say mobile first. We are now transitioning to AI first. But over last 10-15 years, a lot of good ecosystem has come up, to support these startups. So first one I would say mobile first. So mobile ने पूरा एकदम landscape change किया.
Right.
Because of that, lot of adoption of mobile, which started happening, and lot of new services, new products came up. Second was because of all this mobile adoption, mobile commerce, we saw a lot of platforms which started coming up. So IndiaMart being one of the largest B2B platform. Besides that, a lot of e-commerce marketplaces started happening. Uh, Post COVID, the need to adopt technology became a need. उससे पहले क्या था कि लोग सोचते थे क्या जरूरत है, मेरा बिजनेस तो चल ही रहा है. But during that period, during pandemic period, people realized because our habits changed, we started consuming everything online,
Right.
right? And everything started coming to online, whether it was health, education, of course, grocery, and then entire entertainment, media. So all those things, suddenly transitioned to go to online, and online became the way to go. So that really helped most of the businesses to think in that direction, and they started adopting technology. So, and as the adoption improved, the other things also improved. So number of VCs, number of Ps who are ready now to experiment on funding, ready to invest with the idea only. Your business may not be off the ground, but people today are ready to take bet on if you are having a good idea. So
Right.
we've transitioned from in those 10-15 years. Plus, I would say lot of ecosystem from government side also. So
Right.
there are policies which have helped in giving a lot of encouragement to startups. So the entire private players, VC, PE, and then during the same phase we saw quite a few startups becoming listed. Like they went for IPO, including IndiaMart became
Right.
and a listed entity. And there are so many other companies who came from startup space, they got listed, and then the investors got very healthy return to the investment they had made in those. So all those things, I would say, became proof of concept, and startup have become now a new norm. And then the other thing which has changed during this whole phase, failure is no more a stigma. जो पहले वो होता था ना कि फेल हो गया तो ये, so failure is no more a stigma, and I'm seen so many startups who fail, who start up all over again. They learn from past mistakes, and then they try to set up things again. So I would say these are good times for startups. Only thing that I would like to say that whenever I meet, I've been a mentor to many startups, and I've been myself investing in various startups. The only thing that I always advise these startups, that they need to have a genuine problem to solve. It should not be a me too problem, and they need to have a right product market fitment. If that was normally the term is called PMF, the product market fitment है, तो आपको 3-6 महीने में पता लग जाएगा कि आपका प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में काम कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा. So don't be madly in love with the product which you believe you have designed, and it will work. If it is not working, it will tell you. Market will tell you within 3-6 months it is not working. So you should actually stop, trash that thing, and then maybe build something new. So these are a few messages, and try to make a profitable business. So that most of the businesses I have seen that are getting created from FOMO, fear of missing out.
Right.
या me too करके पैसा डाल के within
And a lot of youngsters, they just jump into it that
Yeah.
मेरा friend कर रहा है, चलो मैं
मैं भी करके देख लेता हूँ. तो just because you love food, you don't have to start a dark kitchen.
तो आपने कभी सोचा नहीं कि मैं भी कुछ सोचता हूँ स्टार्ट करने का?
So मेरे को तो टाइम ही नहीं मिला कपिला, because I never looked India Mart as a job. For me it was I always call myself as a as an entrepreneur. So for
Right,
me
right.
this has been the journey more like an entrepreneur myself, because we started very small. So when I came on board, it was 100 crore business, and today we are 1500 crore business, listed entity, and the scale that we have created, the solutions that we have created are amazing. So during last 13-14 years that I have been around, so I never got a time to think कि मुझे और कुछ करने की जरूरत भी है कि नहीं, because one, I had the complete freedom to think on or create solutions. So started building the organization structure, then started reviewing people, processes. We started the complete tech stack. We reviewed, looked at various solutions. So I have a complete in chronological order कि 2012 में हमने RFQ किया, फिर हमने क्लाउड टेलीफोनी किया, फिर हमने 2013 में प्राइस डिस्कवरी करी ऑन मार्केट प्लेस. Then we started integrating the lead manager, mobile side. So there are so many things which were happening during that period, one after the another. And we were so immersed in all these things together that never got a कभी सोचने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ी कि आई एम नॉट रनिंग माई ओन बिजनेस. एंड in 2019 when we got listed, so that was for any entrepreneur, promoter, founder, whatever you can call it. The biggest proof of success is when your company gets listed.
Yes.
So which happened on in 2019, and from there on the life is now very, very different. So as they say, we've been living quarter se quarter tak ki life. So but if you really ask me, after 2019 our pace has further improved, and we started looking at solutions beyond whatever we had done prior to listing. Multiple reasons. I think the environment is changing. The environment on technology front is becoming much more conducive. Plus we are also becoming more and more learned and evolved, because पहले केवल इंडिया मार्ट था. With the technology coming into the play, there are so many players who have come into the market, whether it is B2C or B2B. So there is so much to learn from so many peers in the market. So we are keeping our eyes and ears open. कहाँ से कुछ सीखने को मिले, कहाँ से कुछ हम adopt कर सकते हैं.
Right.
Plus, I would say we have average age of our employees 27, 27 and a half. There is so much to learn from youngsters, and then by design, we've been keeping, entire our team, which is fully, people like, you've been
Yeah.
interacting since morning. So the by design, we're
The
keeping.
team is amazing. I met the team also, of course. They are wonderful people. So, including Shivani, I have been coordinating with her since morning.
Yeah. So I think that these youngsters, so they are full of energy, full of knowledge. So there is so much to learn from them.
True.
So that's what has been, keeping all of us going on looking out for newer things to
So,
implement.
आप इतना ज़्यादा engrossed रहते हैं being at such a high position and this is like your business only which keeps you super busy. तो घर में मतलब कैसा रहता है?
So
Are you able
I
to
know
give proper time?
what you are hinting at, so which is work-life balance or family time or so. To be honest, first few years were very very difficult time, and then we were working on close to around 14, 15 hours a day. So that was the time we have seen, and that's the time we I think family took a back seat for us, and that was by design, I would say, because we and family also realized that we had committed ourselves to create something really really big, and so they never complained. Thankfully, I would say we have been I in particular have been very lucky to have a wonderful wife who has always been supportive, and my son also, I think he understood initially, but my only one message to everybody: whatever you do, fully immerse in that.
Right.
Don't try to just juggle too many balls in the air.
Right.
So if you are in business, please then fully devote to business.
Right.
But if you are, working for family, if they need you, then fully, be with them. But having said that, we have also evolved with the period of time, and those were, times when business wanted us to be here, so we were always here. But now that things have slightly eased out, so there is a kind of, I would say, balance between, what we do in office and how much time are we able to devote to our families. And that's what, by design, we have been also pushing in our organization. See, we are Gen X,
Right.
but this millennia crowd, that's what we have.
Yeah.
Their priorities are very very different. अगर आपने उनको जबरदस्ती काम कराने की कोशिश करी, so I don't think you will be able to build up a team.
And mostly you will see everybody's engrossed in mobile, WhatsApp, social media.
Yeah, so they need experience, they need exposure, they need learning. They have their ways of handling things. You be with them and keep guiding them, but then leave it to them. So and you have to have
In
that
general,
trust.
I would like to ask कि corporates में कुछ ऐसा culture या particularly in your company, are you planning to set up या कभी सोचा हो? Because seeing the majority of people who are engrossed in this digital cage, they just get themselves caged inside that. मुझे लगता है उनके बिहेवियर प्रोडक्टिविटी सब चीज़ों पे असर पड़ता है कहीं ना कहीं.
Yes.
तो उसके लिए कुछ स्टेप्स as a COO would you like to take?
So I think you're bang on, especially this millennia crowd has actually grown up with mobile in their hand, and then now the Gen Z which is coming is going to be even acutely engrossed with mobile. So there are pluses and minuses also, but we're trying to balance it by making sure that there are interventions which kind of take them away for some time away from mobile. So whether it is yoga sessions that we keep doing, whether we keep doing various trainings which are away. These are classroom trainings which are away from mobile. Having said that, just now we've been doing for our tech team. There's a hackathon which is happening. So that's where they are working on solving some kind of real life problems. The focus is how can we, create the skill set which we all need, which is more of collaboration. So
Right.
this Gen Z and especially the millennia, they work in a very close environment, and then as a team they need each other. So can we create something where they are we are creating opportunities for more and more opportunities for them to
Right.
collaborate, to work as a team. So those are multiple initiatives that we are working on. Having said that, we also have multiple programs where we push our these people to go and acquire new knowledge. This knowledge can be in the field of anything, not necessary in tech. It can be accounting, finance, marketing, photography, dancing.
Right.
So there is a policy called iLeap, where we normally try to support people who want to go and follow their passion, and we say that you go in and do that course,
Right.
and India Mart will pay the fees for that course, and that each and every employee can do once in a year, not once in a lifetime,
Once.
once in a year. So there have been various such policies where we want our people to get exposed to things beyond their
Right.
workplace, or they want to get into something new. We have been a knowledge hungry organization, and that's what I want our people to go for. More and more knowledge, more and more learning. They learn more, they will contribute us more.
True.
So that's the belief that we have, and that's what we have been always encouraging.
Right, right. So, talking about your life now as a person and as an individual, बहुत सारे experiences आपके रहे होंगे, कभी failure भी face करा होगा, कभी rejections भी.
Sure.
तो कुछ ऐसा incidents आप highlight करना चाहेंगे और उसको कैसे deal किया, because that is more important.
So, I think first and foremost, as I mentioned earlier also, during failure, during difficult times, you need to
I mean, I'm not talking about your company, India Mart per
no, no,
se, but life में भी जैसे बहुत
पर्सनली भी
सारे,
बहुत सारे
right.
फेलियर आते हैं. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज that I keep in mind that don't lose your head,
Right.
your cool, your balance. Right? So if you have your head in the right place, you will be able to manage things far better. You may not come out completely out of it, but you will be better prepared to negotiate those difficult scenarios, and that's what has been always my belief. And that's been my belief personally as well as professionally.
कुछ ऐसा incidents जो याद आ रहा हो
So
आपको?
I'll give you. We launched since I came from telecom. So we launched the biggest network in the country. उस समय पर जो फ्रीक्वेंसी जो आप और मैं मोबाइल यूज करते हैं, तो
Right.
वो 900 मेगाहर्ट्ज की यूज करते हैं.
Okay.
तो जब हमें नए लाइसेंस मिले थे तो वो फ्रीक्वेंसी 1800 मेगाहर्ट्ज की थी.
Okay.
और 1800 मेगाहर्ट्ज की जो फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है वो एफिशिएंट नहीं होती, उसके लॉसेस ज़्यादा होते हैं,
Right.
और वो इंडिया में पहली बार आई थी. तो जैसे ही नया नेटवर्क लगा, हमारे कस्टमर का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही खराब था, बिकॉज कहीं कॉल नहीं लग रही, बिकॉज 1800 मेगाहर्ट्ज पे लॉसेस ज़्यादा होते हैं. सो दैट वाज अ न्यू एक्सपीरियंस फॉर एंटायर इंडस्ट्री. Now you have launched a new network and day in day out people are complaining कि सर्विस बेकार है, सर्विस अच्छी नहीं है. So there could be two ways that you leave that problem and then move out. Second was learn from wherever that 1800 megahertz frequency worldwide had happened, and how did they handle that problem and implement those solutions. So जैसे ही हमने ये प्रॉब्लम एनकाउंटर किया तो समझ में आ गया कि ये प्रॉब्लम तो लंबी चलने वाली है, एंड नेटवर्क तो टाइम लगता है.
Right.
बट वी बेंचमार्क के कहाँ कहाँ पर 1800 मेगाहर्ट्ज के नेटवर्क लगे हुए थे ग्लोबली. वी गॉट इनटू बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस. 3 से 6 महीने लगे हमें वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में. बट आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई डिड, आई गॉट माई एंटायर नेटवर्क टीम. आई वॉज बेस्ड आउट ऑफ पुणे इन महाराष्ट्र. I got my entire team, network team, my sales, marketing, brand team, and we told them that we have a problem which is going to stay for at least 6 months time. There is no overnight solution.
Right.
but we will have to handle our customers by communicating genuinely the problem, and then let's not give them any story. So हम सीधा बताते हैं कि हमारी नेटवर्क की प्रॉब्लम है. तो and that's where we started giving some kind of discounts on their monthly bills, because we knew that there was a problem in our service. Rather than confronting and fighting with the customer, we said आपके bill हम 30% 40% waive करेंगे for next 3 months 4 months 5 months, and till the time we are confident that we are providing a solution. So this was really one of the biggest professional problem that I encountered, and I can say most of the people would have given up in such scenarios. But uh, as I mentioned, think through the problem. Don't lose your head. Communicate, over communicate during those difficult times. Keep your people together who are going to work with you on that problem. If they are with you, you will be able to handle any problem. Right? Normally, I've seen most of the time we fail because we become flustered, we become, panicky, and then we start going for shortcuts. So there are no shortcuts to any problem. And we as an IndiaMart also believe that you work on processes. So you work on processes, you get into detail, try to do root cause analysis and address the problem at the root, and you will be, much better off than working only on shortcuts. So that's how I think has been my philosophy, and that has always paid, in the long run.
So when you started at a junior position,
Yes.
just at the start of your career, काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं
Yeah.
सीनियर्स के साथ भी, कलीग्स के साथ भी, तो उसको कैसे डील करते थे? बिकॉज ये तो काइंड ऑफ कहानी घर घर की, तो ये कहानी हर ऑफिस की है.
So I think मैंने as I mentioned, I started my career after doing my FMS. So I was in FMCG. हम लोग ने वो टाइम देखा है कि I used to work for a paint company, and I would go in a वो पेंट वाला जो टेम्पो जाता है उसमें ऑर्डर लेने जाते थे, तो ड्राइवर के साथ सीट शेयर करके हम लोग ऑर्डर लेने जाते थे. So we've seen those times which most of the new generation, the millennia or Gen Z would never do, but I think that had its own share of fun and then learning, and then that's what has really paid in long run for all of us. Now there have been many times where you may not agree with your peers, with your bosses, with your managers. So you may try to convince them.
Right.
So I firmly believe मेरा एक बड़ा फर्म बिलीफ है कि मिलेंगे तो कुछ सोल्यूशन निकाल लेंगे. तो कभी अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन आई भी है जहां मैनेजर और मैं नहीं आपस में होते, तो एक बार बात तो जरूर करनी है. इनफैक्ट इन इंडिया मार्ट दैट हैज बिकम दिस थिंग तकिया कलाम, के वो डीजी बोलता है कि एक बार मिलेंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ बैठ के निकाल ही लेंगे. सो दैट हैज बीन माय फिलॉसफी कि अगर आपके मैनेजर के साथ, आपके सीनियर के साथ अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, देयर इज अ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग, मिसकम्युनिकेशन और मिसअलाइनमेंट टुवर्ड्स एनी प्रोडक्ट, पॉलिसी, प्रोसेस, आप बैठ के डिस्कस कर लें, एक बार अपना पर्सपेक्टिव प्रेजेंट करें और उनका भी पर्सपेक्टिव समझें, सुने. सो most of the time I've seen that helps in resolution, getting a resolution.
Right.
Not that every time you will come out winner, and I think the
कुछ बीच का रास्ता
कभी आप
निकलता है. Right.
गिवन करेंगे, कभी दूसरा आदमी भी गिवन करेगा. बट आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव, एंड ये हमारे परिवार में भी होता है, ऐसा खाली सिर्फ ऑफिस में नहीं होता. कई बार आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ कुछ ना कुछ टिफ चलती है, वाइफ के साथ टिफ चलती है, आजकल तो बच्चों के साथ रोज टिफ चलती है, बिकॉज दे आर ऑन अ डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म, वी आर ऑन डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म. माई सन कीप्स करेक्टिंग मी एवरी नाउ एंड देन, राइट. अगर ऐसे झगड़ा होने लगेगा तो मैं रोज हम लोग एक कन्फ्रंटेशन में रहेंगे. बट आई थिंक माई फिलोसफी हैज बीन जो कुछ होना है एक कमरे में हो जाए, so that you can put a common face once you move out of the this room. तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर भी बहुत कन्फ्रंटेशन होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि आज भी हम लोग बहुत झगड़े करते हैं आपस में इंडिया मार्ट में बिटवीन वेरियस पीपल, but those are normally very healthy conflicts, and there are ways to resolve those conflicts. You hear the other person, you present your perspective, and go for a rational approach. So वो जो problem क्या होता है ना, me, वो वाला अगर उसको पीछे रखेंगे and problem समझेंगे तो वो address कर लेंगे. So I think that's been the philosophy which has been I would say हमेशा से काम करिए. मिलेंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ निकाल ही लेंगे. बात करने से बात बनती है, राइट? तो मेरी भी फिलॉसफी वही है कि एक बार बैठ जाते हैं, डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, कोई ना कोई उस समस्या का तो हल निकाल ही लेंगे.
And how old is your son?
He is now 25.
Oh, wonderful.
And he just finished his MS in US. तो अभी मतलब जितना मैं उसे सिखाता हूँ उससे ज़्यादा मैं उससे सीखता हूँ.
Okay. तो कल अगर वो भी आपको आके बोले कि पापा इंडिया मार्ट खड़ा करना है एक अपना, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे?
तो मैं उसको यही बोलूँगा कि आई विल बी हैप्पी दैट ही इज थिंकिंग ऑन दोज लाइन्स. आई थिंक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इफ he's gone into that thought process, that's a wonderful thing to have as parent. But I would guide him, go for a problem which needs an intervention. Solve a problem which genuinely needs a solution. इंडिया मार्ट तो है ही है, इंडिया मार्ट तो खड़ा हो ही गया है, तो एक और इंडिया मार्ट खड़ा करने इसके जगह आप प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई करो जो हमें कम्युनिटी के लिए, सोसाइटी के लिए सॉल्व करनी है, एंड देन गो फॉर इट फुल फ्लेजेडली. तो आई बी द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू सपोर्ट हिम ऑन दैट.
ग्रेट. सो चैलेंजेस और कभी आपको फेस करना पड़ा, कभी पर्सनल फ्रंट में या प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट में? आई एम श्योर कुछ आए होंगे, बट कुछ होता है जो बिल्कुल रात को नींद से जगा के रख देता है कि अब कैसे सॉल्व करें इसको, वैसा कुछ?
Many times. In fact, when I had joined India Mart in 2012, so that I would say was one of the most difficult times for India Mart. So our product market fitment पूरा अच्छा नहीं था. जो कस्टमर हमने एक्वायर किए थे, the churn was very high. We were losing those customers, and actually that at that point in time I had come from a very different background, a very healthy career in the past, very comfortable, cushy life, and suddenly I jumped on this side. But did I get trouble? Yes, I got trouble because of we had acquired so many customers which we were not able to service properly because of product market fitment. So that would give me sleepless nights. Me and an entire organization, both me and Dinesh Agarwal, both of us, would for hours together we would, explore what could be the next, level of solutioning that we were to work on. Having said that, at that point in time, we took a 2 steps back. That जो सर्विस हम ऑफर कर रहे थे उसको हमने थोड़े दिन के लिए बंद कर दिया, and we started looking at multiple solutions which would work for us. So normally क्या होता है ऐसे टाइम में लोग और जोर से उसी डायरेक्शन में जाएं तो और नुकसान होता है. So since our customers were not happy, so we took 2 steps back. We slowed down our new sales. जो कस्टमर हम एक्वायर कर रहे थे वो प्रोसेस हमने थोड़ा धीरे किया कि जब तक जो एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर है उनकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, नया कस्टमर और एक्वायर करने का कोई लॉजिक नहीं है. एंड वी मॉडिफाइड आवर प्रोडक्ट, आवर सर्विसेज, एंड इट टुक अस फ्रॉम मार्च टिल दिसंबर. वी रियलाइज्ड कि वो सर्विस जो हमने चेंज करी थी, पीपल स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग इट, एंड देन दैट्स अ टाइम वी वेंट बैक टू मार्केट with a very aggressive acquisition. But those 6 months, if you really ask me, were extremely difficult times for me in particular, as well as for entire organization. And we didn't know whether we would come out of that problem or no, the way we wanted. But one thing was sure that, as I mentioned, कि जो हम काम करते हैं ना, बिल्कुल एक टाइम पे एक ही काम करते हैं. We were very focused that till the time that problem was not solved, we would not look at anything else.
Right.
And I think that really has been helping, and it helped us during that period of time also.
हम लोग आजकल मेंटल हेल्थ की बहुत बात करते हैं. दैट इज वेरी इन थिंग नाउ, अभी मैं बोलूँगी. तो आपका उसके बारे में क्या कहना रहेगा? बिकॉज जैसे कि हम बात कर रहे हैं जेन ज़ी के बारे में भी बहुत सारे इश्यूज हो रहे हैं और इन्हीं को हो रहे हैं. हमारे टाइम में नहीं होते थे शायद इतने.
वो हमारा लाइफस्टाइल ही ऐसे बना लिया. पहले हम प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते हैं, फिर उसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो मैं मैं आई वॉज टेलिंग माई सन अदर डे कि पहले हम लोग ऐसे काम करते हैं, इतने सारे अपने अराउंड डाइग्रेशंस क्रिएट कर लेते हैं जिससे रात को नींद नहीं आती, फिर वो रात को ऐप डाउनलोड करते हैं जिससे कि नींद आए। यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? राइट। फिर हम ऐसे सिचुएशन क्रिएट करते हैं कि मेंटल पीस नहीं है, फिर हम मेडिटेशन कोर्स में जाते हैं।
राइट।
We eat all junk food, lead a very indisciplined life, and then we pay for yoga.
Right.
So these are our own creations. So I think somewhere the solution lies within us. I strongly believe we need to discipline ourselves. Sooner we do that, and we need to draw a line. Excess of anything and everything is harmful. और वो आजकल वही हो रहा है कि आई सी माई सन, वो रात को 3 बजे सोता है बिकॉज 3 बजे तक उसके सामने कोई ना कोई स्क्रीन लगी होती है, वेदर इट इज हिज मोबाइल, वेदर इट इज हिज वॉचिंग समथिंग ऑन स्क्रीन। सिंस द टाइम these OTT channels and media has become available on smaller screens, everybody is hooked to something or the other, so there is an overdose of
चलते चलते
exposure.
आते हैं।
So somewhere I think you need to keep your mobile away for some time during the day, sometime away from your TV screens or OTT screens. Get into the habit of reading. I think strongly I believe the reading which fundamentally जो हमने 30 साल पहले 40 साल पहले सीखी थी,
Right.
that still remains one of the best things that can help you stay away from. And secondly, one good thing that I have seen, and I'm seeing in this Gen Z as well as millennia, they are some of them, not some of them, quite a few of them are very health freak. So suddenly I see people going to gym morning, evening. So they have created a kind of time zone in their busy life where they devote their own time to do whatever they like. More and more such people are picking up to new hobbies. One thing I've seen, they travel. आप और मैं ट्रैवल नहीं करते थे पहले, हम लोग बहुत कम करते थे बिकॉज आवर प्रायोरिटीज वर फैमिली, जॉब. सो दिस न्यू जनरेशन दे ट्रैवल, दैट्स वेयर हैज बिकम वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट लर्निंग एक्सपोजर फॉर देम.
इवन फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट भी होता था उस टाइम
हाँ,
बट आज की जनरेशन बोलती है चलो कमाया तो।
हाँ, तो फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट होता था, लेकिन फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं भी होता था, प्रायोरिटी अलग होती थी.
राइट, एग्जैक्टली।
वी यूज्ड टू बी इन अ माइंडसेट ऑफ क्रिएटिंग अ सेफ्टी नेट के पहले सेविंग कर लें ताकि डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स में हम लोग के काम आए. बट दिस जनरेशन इज ऑल अबाउट एक्सपीरियंस, लर्निंग. सो दे हैव लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव. सो आई लुक एट इट, जो जहाँ से अच्छी चीज मिलती है वो पिकअप कर लें. सो आई सी पीपल ट्रैवलिंग, आई सी पीपल picking up new things which they believe is of their liking. But as I mentioned, all of us need to discipline ourselves. वो नहीं तो anything excess is going to be cause of problem, and that's what I think our society is currently going through. But I'm expecting, I think this correction will happen sooner or later. ये होगा ही.
So do you love to travel?
I travel a lot.
Oh.
I travel a lot. I just came back from a trip to Alaska. So I'm madly in love with the snow, mountains. So the first opportunity that I get, I just rush towards mountain and then snow. So I've been to most of peaks all over the world, and I do car rally. So I do Himalayan car rally every alternate year. So I travel a lot. So I travel a lot. I read a lot. So these two hobbies are
And how
kind
much
of.
is your screen time?
It's quite high, I would say, but I'm slightly more disciplined because I'm able to carve out time for my morning run, walk,
Right.
exercise. I'm able to read during the day or before I go to sleep.
So with time I think वो maturity आ जाती है कि कितना usage करना है या नहीं.
Kapila, maturity के अलावा the situations are so difficult now for all of us because जब से सब चीज मोबाइल पे आई है ना, आपकी ईमेल भी मोबाइल पे आ जाती है, आपका कस्टमर डैशबोर्ड भी मोबाइल पे आ जाता है, तो वो यू आर काइंड ऑफ ऑलवेज हुक्ड. देयर आर सो मेनी हुक्स नाउ विच कीप यू बाउंड ऑन मोबाइल स्क्रीन. सो कुछ सिचुएशन ऐसे हो गई हैं. सो आई थिंक एज आई मेंशन यू नीड टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन
Right.
कि आई हैव सीन सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स जो रात को 8 बजे के बाद मोबाइल नहीं देखते. and I really admire the kind of control they have. I
कहीं ना
still
कहीं ये
am not able to
हैबिट
do
आई
that.
थिंक ये घर से ही दी जाती है, मोबाइल यूज करने की भी, स्क्रीन यूज करने की
हाँ,
भी
वो
शुरुआत वहीं से
वहीं
ही
से
होती
होती है।
है, राइट?
बट आजकल पीयर प्रेशर है, स्कूल में जाइए तो आधा होमवर्क मोबाइल पे आ रहा है, आपको हर चीज़ बताई जाती है कि आपको होमवर्क डाउनलोड करना है, उस पोर्टल पे चले जाइए।
राइट।
आपका पूरा स्कूल का बच्चे का पूरा डैशबोर्ड मोबाइल ऐप पे बना हुआ है। हाफ ऑफ द थिंग्स एवरी स्कूल इज कम्युनिकेटिंग ऑन ऐप.
राइट।
So our entire thing is in the name of convenience. These are convenient also. The parents के लिए बहुत convenient हो गया
True.
कि बच्चे के बारे में कुछ भी पता करना है वो ऐप डाउनलोड करके, so you can
Absolutely.
see everything on your app.
Right.
So it's a matter of convenience, but somewhere it is also coming at a cost,
Right.
which is may not be, we're not realizing, but sooner or later we'll end up paying for the price for all these things.
So now इतना एक्सपीरियंस गैदर करने के बाद फ्रॉम डाइवर्स फील्ड्स एंड केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग किया, जिसमें से केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग का आई थिंक इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कुछ भी नहीं हुआ।
कुछ भी नहीं हुआ।
तो एजुकेशन सिस्टम के लिए आप कुछ अपना ओपिनियन देना चाहेंगे कि कुछ क्या चेंजेस ऐसा हो जिसमें और ज़्यादा बच्चों को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, जो लैकिंग शायद हमारे टाइम में रही, आगे नहीं होनी चाहिए?
So the first and foremost, we need to really change the curriculum. We need to make our kids ready for future in terms of giving more and more vocational exposure to them. Technology is a need. I strongly believe technology you cannot wish away, and especially after coming of AI. मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ कि now all of us need to be लिटरेसी, हम लोग बोलते थे कि लिटरेसी में पढ़ना लिखना आना चाहिए आपको. टुडे यू हैव रीच्ड अ सिचुएशन, सूनर और लेटर विल हैव टू बिकम एआई नेटिव, एआई लिटरेट. कि अगर एआई लिटरेट नहीं है तो शायद आप पीछे रह जाएंगे, राइट? So that's what is the firm belief. So I think our education system has to adapt these changes, and rather than very very strict classroom training, should be more a mix, a balance between classroom and vocational and real case studies. They really need to work on for kids. Having said that, as I mentioned, we are becoming more and more isolated community. मतलब
Yes.
पहले हम लोग की फैमिली होती थी, 3-4 भाई बहन होते थे, सारा बड़ा परिवार होता था. Now with nucleus family coming in, these kids don't have those kind of exposure and learning. So can we have a lot of such interventions where these kids become more team players, more work on collaborative initiatives. So these are few things that I would like schools to implement on, and push these kids for outside exposure. I see a lot of people now, as you also mentioned, सारा दिन बच्चा स्क्रीन पे लगा रहेगा. हम तो सारा बाहर बड़े हुए हैं.
True.
We were so aggressive in sports and multiple initiatives that we had to go for. But these education systems will have to work on giving a very balanced exposure
Right.
to classroom and vocational and practical training. Similarly, to keep these kids away from screen, so how can they create a balance between screen and online and offline? So those are few things that I would like this education system to work on to create a very balanced students that we have. So India needs a skill set where we there is no dearth of jobs,
Right.
but we don't have the right talent which can actually go and handle those jobs,
True.
right? So how can we push our kids much early in their school life, college life, to start looking at those vocational courses, those case studies where they get hands-on experience on solving real life problems, and hence they can become really skilled talent for that industry needs. That's what my belief is.
So, any future plans that you have in mind?
No, only one, the big plan that I have. So I've done enough, on my professional side, on business side. What can I do to contribute to community? So I think that's where, my thoughts now keep going. So I'm looking at multiple options where I would like to give back to community, to society, and focus remains on India needs a lot of early life education for kids. can I contribute in that direction? And if you ask me, that's the plan that I have in mind, where I can reach out to school-going kids, people who cannot afford good education. How can I help them to get them to school, to get them to right education system, and create all the opportunities for them. So it's not only financial commitment, but time, effort, energy,
Okay.
commitment in that direction. That's what is what I'm working towards.
Right. Great. So thank you so much, Dinesh. It was lovely meeting you. Thanks a lot for
Thank
spending
you,
out your
Kapila.
time.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for
Yeah.
pleasure.